Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorial session 1. What is Python? Python is an open source programming language which is widely being used. Python is a powerful and robust language. Python is friendly and easy to learn as it do not have multiple syntax like when compared to Java. Python is compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac and other operating system. Python is an open source programming language. Python can be easily to pick up whether you are a first programmer or already have experienced with other languages. These are the links which will be useful for programmers as well as non-programmers. If you are a programmer, you can go with this link, and if you are non-programmer, then you can go with this link. The next download and installation guide. The last one is snippets for beginners. I will paste this content in the description box. Please take it from there. If you see here in this graph, Python is the language which is going from bottom to top in very short span of time between 2012 to 2020. Next, how to download and install Python on our system. Always we need to download Python from the official website. This is the official site where we can download Python. Let me click on the link. At present we have Python version 3.9.5. In case if you want older version of Python, then you can scroll down. You can see over here. It is up to your wish which version you are going to work on. And Google is a visionary partner for Python. And here we will have information which version contain what. 3.9 version, it has bug fix and release date is 2020 October 5th. And here you will have a lot of documents. Please go through the site. You will get to know more information. Let's go back to the slide. We can download the latest version, or if required we can download the older version as well. I already downloaded Python from the official site that I have in my system. In downloads, Python folder, I have downloaded version is 3.9.5. I am going to install Python exe. In the very beginning, please proceed with the default configuration. Don't do any other changes. And installation, it won't take much time. It will complete within a minute maximum. Now setup is successful. If you are new to Python, you can go with this online tutorial and documentation. Now I am clicking on close button. So now we have completed installing Python from exe. Next, what is pip in Python? Pip is a package manager for Python to install packages or modules whatever we want, which will run in a command line mode. If you do not have pip installed, then you can download and install from the official site. PIP is packaged with the latest version 3.4 and above. If you are having the older version, then you may not have PIP installed on your system. In such case, you need to go to this official site. Let me take you to the site. This is the latest version what we have at present. Let me show you in command line mode, and before that I will show you other information as well. As I said before, downloading package is very easy through pip. First we need to open command prompt. Yes, I have opened command prompt. After that we need to navigate to this path. Since we have already installed Python, so the Python package will be available at this location. Inside app data, local programs, Python 3.9. If you see here, Python exe is available under this folder, and pip it will be located inside scripts. Let me show you in command line. I'm navigating to the Python path. So Python 39 folder, it has a Python exe, so we can check the Python version. So the installed version of Python is 3.9.5. Let me navigate to script. Here let me type pip version, pip -version. Yes, it is giving pip version is 21.1.1, but what we have seen in the portal is here we have 21.1.2. So I am copying this to clipboard. Let me maximize the command prompt. Pip is already installed. By executing this command, it will suggest us to upgrade to the latest version which is available in the official site. Let me run the script. Requirement already satisfied. Pip in this location and version is 21.1.1. Here it is showing warning message. You are using pip version is the lower one. However, version 21.1.2 is available. You should consider upgrading via this location, and we need to use this syntax -m pip install upgrade pip. This is what we want to use here. To go back to this, I have to type cd dot dot. Here we will have Python exe -m, next pip install. What it has to do, it has to perform upgrade what pip. So pip installation manager, it has to upgrade the current version of pip. So let me hit the enter button. Now it is updating to the latest. Yes, it is successfully installed 21.1.2. Let me check the version now. Cd script. Pip -version. Now it is showing the latest version 21.1.2 and the location and Python version as well. So far in this session, we have seen key concepts of Python, how to download and install on our local system, what is pip, versions of Python and versions of pip, how to install pip or how to upgrade through command line mode, and what is the default location of Python and pip. This is what we have seen in this session. We have a lot more videos yet to come for Python tutorial. This tutorial will be useful for the beginners and also experienced people. Hope you like this video. If so, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.